After completion of this video, you'll be able to use Forma's data-rich environment to inform early design decisions, integrate AI-driven insights to achieve better outcomes, conduct sun-hour analysis to evaluate daylight exposure on facades, use solar energy analysis to determine a site or concept's potential for solar power generation, and assess wind impact to identify potential wind tunnels and comfort levels. To access Forma, navigate to the Forma homepage. Once on the homepage, you can start your free trial or access your existing Forma hub if you already have one. Click to choose your hub and access your space, and once inside, you'll see the demo project, a tour, and some other helpful resources. Click on Open Demo Project to open the demo that comes with Forma. Forma allows you to start with a data-rich environment, like a digital twin of the real site from the outset, which means decisions are based on real data and well informed, without the need for you to recreate existing buildings or program weather data and so on. You can also use data from current and past projects, again saving you time and removing the need to duplicate or recreate models or data. The inbuilt library allows you to order maps with a low-level detail, massing, which provides 3D models of existing buildings on and around the site, which all mean that within minutes you have a site populated by buildings and other features. This would take you a lot of time to do this work manually, and ultimately someone has to pay for this time. Use the wheel on your mouse to zoom in and out. Roll it forwards to zoom in, and note that you're zooming in on the area that your cursor is located. So to zoom in here, position your cursor here and roll the wheel forwards, and roll it backwards to zoom out again. Press and hold the right mouse button to rotate the model as you move the mouse, and press and hold the wheel button on your mouse to pan the model as you move your mouse. Hover your mouse over a building and left click to select it and see its properties such as area, building use, such as residential or commercial, and other properties in the panel on the right of your screen. When selected, you can edit the height and other properties, such as shape. Architects and other designers will use their knowledge of sunlight and wind to help influence their designs, and using Forma, they can better understand how these impact the site while they design. For example, to analyse the number of hours of sun your building will receive, on the panel on the right-hand side of the screen, at the top of the screen, you'll see the main analysis tools. Click Sun Hours to open the Sun Hours settings. You can set the date and other criteria, such as analysis area here, and click Run Analysis to begin. It won't take long, and in a few seconds, the report is ready. When the analysis is complete, click View History and choose the date that you ran the analysis to view the results. The colours and the legend communicate the number of hours of sun the building envelope receives. Clicking on the inspection tool at the top of the screen, you can select individual faces and you'll see how many hours of direct sunlight that part of the building will receive. This would be helpful to designers looking to reduce the direct sunlight in some high sun areas, possibly through external shading, or ways to increase sunlight through changing the location, the rotation, the form or shape of the building so that it receives more. Click Close Analysis to close the sun hours analysis, and repeat the process with solar energy to analyse the potential of the site or building to generate electricity from solar panels. To run this, click Solar Energy in the Tools panel and click Run Analysis. And again, once complete, click View History to see the dates that you ran this. Click the most recent in the list and click Solar Energy to open the analysis results. Click Inspect and click on a roof surface to see the predicted energy levels that you could achieve on the roof of this building. You can take this analysis further with a wind analysis to analyse how wind impacts the site. Are there any wind tunnels or corridors, spaces between buildings that make it uncomfortable for the building users? To run a wind analysis on the site yourself, click Wind in the Tools panel. You will see immediately an AI prediction of the wind speeds within the site area. This is the rapid wind analysis, and it can be used to quickly give an impression of the wind speeds and impact. It is an AI-generated analysis that's been trained on thousands of simulations. However, for a more detailed and accurate analysis, click Run Analysis. This may take a while, as indicated by the prompt. Even embodied carbon can be analysed at this early stage. Click Embodied Carbon in the Tools panel, and unlike other analysis, there is no immediate results. Instead, look in the Tools panel and you'll see an alert, informing you that you have some missing properties. To set these, hover your mouse over one of the buildings, and click your left mouse button to select it. And note the building's parameters appear, and Forma needs you to tell it more information about the building. Click on Settings to open the dialog, and select Commercial as the building type, Reinforced Concrete as the structure, Limestone Veneer for the envelope, and 50% window to wall ratio, and click Run Analysis to run the embodied carbon analysis. To give a comparison, select the different building and repeat the process by selecting Settings. Again, select Commercial for the type. However, this time, select Hybrid Concrete Steel for the structure and Granite Veneer for the envelope. Click Run Analysis and note the colour of the building, when matched to the legend, show more embodied carbon for this building. Scroll down in the panel to see how the various elements, such as structure and envelope and so on, affect the results. Notice how the structure has the largest impact on the embodied carbon. And by editing this to mass timber or decreasing the window to wall ratio, it reduces the value by a significant amount. This is what is meant by data-driven design. Tools like Forma put the analysis tools in the hands of everyone, not just specialists. And with practice, within 1 hour, you'll be more than sufficient to understand the impact of changes to the design without the need to learn complex solar, thermal or wind calculations. And notice how with AI and tools like Forma, you can access and analyse sustainability data while you design, which means not having to wait days or even weeks to see a design validated, but integrate it as part of the design process. And these results are more than just wind speed and sun hours. Forma demonstrates the impact these have on comfort of the building users. This is what is meant by outcome-based BIM, better informed decisions based on data.